Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Amazon on-site commissions, my reviews and thoughts, and is it still worth it? Plus, I'm going to go over some tips. I have been seeing a lot of different information online, and I feel like a lot of people are giving up hope on this program. So I'm going to give you guys my thoughts towards it, and I do want to let you guys know as my disclaimer, this video does not represent Amazon. I do not represent Amazon. These are my own opinions, you guys, but I always encourage you to do your own research. And I want to let you guys know a super exciting announcement that my own Black Friday sale on my ebooks and guides are available and starting November the 1st. That is this week, y'all. Can you believe it? I'm so excited. The sale starts this week, November 1st, and it includes a lot of different ebooks, as you can see them all listed here, including ebooks on this topic that we're talking about today. So I will put the link to this in the description of this video under the title. All right, you guys, let's jump right into it. I want to address the question, is it still worth it? I've been seeing a lot of different things online, and I feel like a lot of people are giving up on this program, but I do want to start by saying, like any program or stream of income, it does have its pros and cons, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. There are going to be things that you like about it, things that you don't like about it, and I really feel like the experience is based on the person and what they put into it. So if you were to ask me, in my personal opinion, is it still worth it? Is Amazon on-site commissions still something that I would pursue? And I would say yes, I think that it is still worth it. I am going to go over the pros and cons and explain to you guys why, okay? So going into the pros and cons, one pro is that I think that it's a great stream of passive income. I absolutely love passive income streams, you guys. I love putting in the upfront work and seeing the benefits reaped over and over again in time. Absolutely love that. And I think this is a great source of passive income if you do it correctly. Another pro is that once you learn how to do it, create these product video reviews and so forth, I think that it's not super difficult to do once you learn how to do it. And that's the one reason why I created my product reviewer guide, so that I could teach people how to do it. Because I feel like sometimes that learning how to create that type of content is one of the biggest barriers. As for the cons, I hear a lot of people saying that they see it as something that's inconsistent and more so unpredictable. And all I could say to that is a lot of streams of income are like that. And that's why it's good to have multiple streams of income, in my opinion. And that's why it's good to also budget and save ahead of time. So even if something is unpredictable, which I don't think is super uncommon, it won't always negatively affect you. And then another con is that it's something that you have to constantly or consistently work toward. So yes, it's a passive income stream and you can do the upfront work and reap the benefits, but I do believe that consistently working at it and creating that type of content is something that needs to be done in order to create longevity with this passive income stream. Like if I want it to work for me and make me a certain amount of money for a certain amount of time and continue to do that, I do feel like I would need to consistently create those product review videos and upload them consistently, not just upload 100 and then don't upload for a year, if that makes sense. So you guys, with all that being said, moving on to some experience and tips. I did create an entire guide that includes tutorials, video tutorials, step by step to help you to create this type of content. But just some simple tips would be to show what the product looks like. Focus on showing all the product features, what it comes with, and giving your opinion on the quality of the product. Those are some things, just some basic tips that I can give for this type of content. If you feel like it's still worth it after everything that has been said about this program, those are some things that I would suggest if you're just getting started or if you just want some simple tips. I also have videos breaking down my own content that is product video reviews, so I will link those videos in the description of this video. But another tip is to use my video review tracker. This is a digital product that I do sell that I created in order to help me to keep track of what I need to review. It's very helpful for me in order to keep track of what I want to review, what I have reviewed. It can get very, I want to say, hectic when you have a lot of plans to review a lot of different things and you don't want to forget. So So let me know what you guys think about this program in the comments. Do you think that it's still worth it? And don't forget that my Black Friday sale on all my ebooks and digital guides starts on November 1st. That is a few days, and I'm so excited about it, you guys. I will be constantly reminding you here on YouTube, but the link to all that will be in the description of this video underneath the title. I will talk to you guys in the comments in my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.